Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, Engineer Wang will explain to us how to replace the bearings of the four-side EPS packaging machine step by step. First, there are slider components on the slider. If only the axle is damaged, there is a simple disassembly method. Tools used: small screwdriver, snap ring pliers, and L-shaped hex wrench. The specific steps are as follows. 1. Remove the upper bearing bracket. 2. Stop the sealing knife at a position convenient for disassembly, then remove the snap ring. And after removal, you can see the axle in the slider. 3. Use a small screwdriver to remove the axle and take it out from above. Replace the axle according to the previous steps. Generally speaking, it is the axle that needs to be replaced, and there is no need to replace the slider. If the slider also needs to be replaced, you need to remove the 4 screws behind the slider, then take out the axle and replace the slider. During the installation of the slider, pay special attention to the installation position of the limit bracket. If the installation is incorrect, all limit positions will change. Therefore, under normal circumstances, we recommend that you only need to replace the axle. This is one of the many after-sales training videos for our EPS packaging machines to help our QSOTmer better maintain the EPS packaging machine. Feel free to drop us a line in the comments section if you enjoyed the video and give us a like. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.